Next, we will incorporate a can of pumpkin into the eggs. It's important to use organic pumpkin because organic pumpkin is going to have less pesticides in it and be better for you. Also, the flavors tend to be better. Open that can of pumpkin up. Take a spatula and get all that pumpkin out. You can also use fresh pumpkin. You need to cook it first and puree it, and then it's just like canned pumpkin. Now we're going to whisk the pumpkin and the egg mixture together. Do it in small, slow strokes. Doesn't come out of the bowl and get all over the table. It'll be a creamy mixture when it's finished.